We're counting down the top 10 travel destinations for 2024.
At number 9, we have the Mountain Spring Hiking Path in St. Andrew. This is the only exercise-focused adventure on the list, a low-level hike that's perfect for fitness enthusiasts. The trail winds through lush landscapes, dense forests, and cascading streams with a rewarding view at the top of the hill. You may also find celebrities, athletes, and general fitness enthusiasts on this location.
For the full list of travel destinations, check out our YouTube channel, Nature Adventure Jamaica.